Hey there, this is Mr. Ball doing a headless video tutorial on the dropping two objects activity. So today we're going to talk about how to set up this activity. If you look in the materials list, you need a marble, a foam ball. Both of those will be found in the materials bag that your parents picked up from school if you don't have those around the house. One sports ball, what I mean by that is like a tennis ball, a soccer ball, basketball, a foosball, a ping pong ball, just any other kind of ball so we have something to compare it with that's a little bit different. You'll also need a large book, and what I mean by that, it must be large enough that a piece of regular paper can fit on top of it, so you're gonna have to look for a large book. And that's what you'll need for this activity. Now, one of the big parts of this activity is how you drop these objects. Now, you can do this with a partner, it's helpful, or you can do this solo. But one of the things that you really need to do is concentrate on being accurate. And what I mean by accurate is where these objects line up. Let's see if you can see the marble. You can see right there, where the bottom of the objects, before you drop it, you need to imagine a straight line going all the way across. So that's one way that you can be accurate. Another way is you just really need to concentrate on dropping them at the same time. So when you drop them, what you're going to be listening for, depending on the ground, or looking for, is when it hits the ground. So that's why having a partner is helpful, or setting up a camera, or there's lots of different ways to do that. Just try your best what you have at home. So you're going to drop these objects, be accurate about the timing and the level of the bottom of the objects. I'm not going to drop it because I want you guys to try this out. You're going to do the same with all these different comparisons. You're going to have a large book with a piece of paper. You're going to drop that. You're going to drop it with the paper on top. Record those results. You're going to crumple up that paper. Line them up. As you can tell, this book has been dropped a few times, so make sure that either you're dropping it on something soft or you have a book that might be not a book that you're that worried about. This has been dropped for a decade in this experiment. And then you're going to make sure it's level. So that's one of the things that you really need to be conscious about is a level from the bottom of the objects and dropping them at the same time. So I hope that helps clear up some questions about this. This has been the headless video tutorial on dropping objects. Please email me if you have any other questions. If you like this video, there's a little thumbs that I think you can click like this, and then I don't know, that will tell me that that little thumb goes up. All right, see you later.